Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to press and hold the Up/Menu button right here to open the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll down, keep scrolling down to open the settings, then find the system option and tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the display option and tap on it. And right here we have options like during activity, general use, and during sleep. Basically, 3 different categories. So if you want to change the screen brightness for the for the activity, so basically when you're performing the activity on your watch, you can do it by tapping on during activity, then scrolling down, tapping on brightness, and here you can adjust the screen brightness for the during activity mode. And once you're done, you can press the back button. Basically, to adjust the brightness, tap on plus and minus buttons, and once you're done, press back. Next we have general use, so basically when you're using your watch normally without any activity tracking and stuff like that. So tap on general use, tap on brightness, and again you can adjust the brightness, then press the back button. This is too bright, so let's lower it like this. And next we have during sleep, so basically when you're sleeping, and again you can adjust brightness and timeout, and you can adjust it by tapping on plus and minus buttons, and then back. And once you're done, press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.